For the past few years, building an AI agent has felt less like software engineering and more like digital alchemy. To create a truly autonomous agent, developers have had to juggle a fragmented mess: prompt templates in one file, tool schemas in another, callback code scattered throughout, and complex workflow graphs that look more like a spiderweb than a program. It's fragile, it's hard to test, and it's incredibly difficult to scale. But NVIDIA is attempting to change the fundamental architecture of how we build these entities. Introducing NOA, the NVIDIA Object-Oriented Agents framework. NOA isn't a new AI model. It's a new way of thinking. By collapsing the chaos of agent development into a single Python class, NVIDIA is attempting to move AI agents out of the experimental phase and into the world of professional software engineering. Today, we are diving deep into the framework that promises state-of-the-art performance with half the token cost, and the sobering security warnings that come with giving an AI the power to write and execute its own code. To understand why NOA matters, we have to look at the strategic chessboard NVIDIA has been playing throughout 2026. It started in March, when reports surfaced about NemoClaw, NVIDIA's plan for an enterprise-grade open-source agent platform. By May, this vision expanded. NVIDIA announced a massive collection of physical AI skills and tools, introducing blueprints for robotics and something called OpenShell, a secure runtime designed to keep AI agents from breaking the systems they inhabit. The industry was watching. The goal was clear: NVIDIA didn't just want to provide the GPUs that power AI, they wanted to provide the operating system for the agents that use those GPUs. On July 27, the puzzle pieces fell into place. In a technical blog post authored by Ricardo Silveira Cabral and Paul Fergale, NVIDIA introduced NOA as an open-source research preview. NOA, or NVIDIA Object-Oriented Agents, was designed to be model-agnostic. Using an interface called LiteLLM, it doesn't care which brain you give it. Whether you are using hosted APIs, Ollama, or vLLM endpoints, NOA provides the skeletal structure that turns a raw language model into a functional, autonomous agent. By July 30th, the framework was officially released as an alpha research preview, version 0.0.8, available via pip under the Apache 2.0 license. But the real story isn't when it was released, it's how it actually works. To understand the brilliance of NOA, you first have to understand the problem it solves. In traditional agent frameworks, the intelligence is fragmented. You have a prompt here, a tool definition there, and a separate script to handle the logic. NOA changes this by using an object-oriented approach. In NOA, an AI agent is literally a single Python class. First, methods. In NOA, methods represent actions. If you want your agent to be able to search a database or send an email, you simply define it as a method within the class. Second, fields. Fields hold the agent's state. Instead of trying to pass a massive conversation history back and forth, the agent has a dedicated place to store its current status and memory. Third, DOC strings. This is one of the most clever shifts. In standard Python, doc strings are just notes for humans. In NOA, doc strings serve as the prompts. The LLM reads these descriptions to understand exactly what the method does and when to use it. And finally, type annotations. These aren't just for the developer. They enforce contracts, ensuring that the data moving in and out of the agent's actions is precise and predictable. By consolidating everything into one class, NVIDIA has made AI agents behave like conventional software. This means they are now easier to test, easier to trace, and, most importantly, easier to refactor. NOA also introduces a concept called pass by reference over live objects. Instead of converting data into a long string of text, or serializing it, the model can operate directly on live Python objects. This reduces overhead and allows for a much more fluid interaction between the AI and the system it's controlling. And for long-term intelligence, NOA includes a memory system that allows agents to curate and persist relational memory in a human-readable SQLite store. The agent doesn't just remember the last 5 minutes, it can build a structured knowledge base over time. Innovation is great, but in the AI world, benchmarks are the only currency that matters. And NVIDIA's reported numbers for NOA are, quite frankly, staggering. On the Sway Bench Verified test, which measures an agent's ability to resolve real-world software engineering issues, NOA hit 82.2% using GPT 5.5. In cybersecurity simulations via CyberGym L1, it reached 86.8%. And on the ARC AGI 3 benchmark, it posted a mean RHAE of 85.1%. But the most disruptive claim isn't just the accuracy, it's the efficiency. NVIDIA reports that NOA achieves these results using roughly half the tokens and fewer model calls compared to other open harnesses. For developers, this is a massive win. Fewer tokens mean lower costs and faster response times. It suggests that by providing a better structure asterisk, the object-oriented class, the LLM doesn't have to work as hard to understand its environment. When the news broke in early August 2026, the industry took notice. Outlets like the Newstack and ZDNET highlighted how NOA wasn't just a tool, but a core contribution to something much larger. The Open Secure AI Alliance. Co-founded by NVIDIA, this alliance was born out of a need to remediate and disclose vulnerabilities in AI systems. By open-sourcing NOA, NVIDIA is attempting to democratize the tools needed to build agents that are not only powerful but auditable and transparent. But here is where we have to pause. With great power comes an equally great set of risks. The core strength of NOA, its ability to generate and execute Python code, is also its greatest vulnerability. We are talking about software that can literally rewrite itself in real time. Now, NVIDIA has built-in, defense-in-depth, guardrails. They use abstract syntax tree, or AST, checks and module deny lists to stop the most obvious mistakes. But NVIDIA is incredibly explicit about one thing: these are not a containment boundary. In plain English, the internal security features are meant to catch errors, not to stop a malicious or hallucinating AI from causing damage. This is why NVIDIA warns that NOA agents must be run within isolated environments. Whether it's a container, a virtual machine, or NVIDIA's own OpenShell secure runtime, the agent must be boxed in. If you run a NOA agent on your bare metal OS, you are essentially giving an LLM the keys to your entire system. Beyond security, there are practical hurdles. NOA is currently in an alpha research preview. This means the API is unstable. What you build today might break tomorrow. Furthermore, it requires Python 3.12 or 3.13, which could be a barrier for teams running legacy systems. There is also a conceptual risk. By centralizing all agent logic into a single class, you potentially widen the blast radius. If a prompt injection attack successfully compromises the agent's core logic, the attacker doesn't just get one tool, they potentially get access to every method and field within that class. And then, there's the ethical tightrope. As agents become more autonomous in their decision-making and code execution, the question of accountability becomes blurred. If a NOA-built agent deletes a production database or propagates a bias into a financial report, who is responsible? The developer? The LLM provider? Or the framework? Despite the risks, the trajectory of NOA points toward a fundamental shift in the AI landscape. For years, we've been limited by the prompt engineering ceiling. We tried to coax intelligence out of LLMs using increasingly complex English sentences. NOA suggests that the future isn't better prompts, it's better software architecture. If NOA can move from alpha to a stable release, we could see a surge in digital workers that are actually reliable. Imagine cybersecurity agents that can audit a network, write a patch, test it in a sandbox, and deploy it, all within a traceable, version-controlled Python class. More importantly, NOA's role in the Open Secure AI Alliance could set the standard for how the world secures autonomous AI. By moving away from black box agents and toward auditable objects, we might actually be able to build AI that we can trust. We are moving from the era of chatbots to the era of autonomous software. And while we're still in the alpha stage, the blueprint is now public. Let's recap the essentials of NVIDIA NOA. First, NOA is not a model, it's a framework. It's model-agnostic, meaning it works with almost any LLM via LiteLLM. Second, its core innovation is the object-oriented approach, turning methods into actions and doc strings into prompts. Third, it's incredibly efficient, reporting massive gains in token consumption and benchmark performance. And fourth, the critical warning: NOA is not a security sandbox. You must use OS-level isolation like Docker or NVIDIA OpenShell to run it safely. The shift toward object-oriented AI is just beginning. Whether you are a developer looking to build your first agent or a tech enthusiast following the AI arms race, one thing is clear: the way we build intelligence is changing. But we want to hear from you. Would you trust an AI agent that can write and execute its own code if it was locked in a container? Or is the risk of an autonomous blast radius too high? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button and subscribe to Deep Dive AI for more professional breakdowns of the tech shaping our future.